When planning your garden, I just want to share what I have done in my garden for all of my life, and I have never sprayed for pests and bugs. And it's called companion planting, where you're planting something next to each other to repel pests. For instance, or to lure the pests away. Sometimes they'll repel them, sometimes they'll eat the plant and get destroyed, or the plant will lure the pests away from what you're trying to do. For example, basil. If you plant basil next to asparagus, the basil actually repels the asparagus beetle. The asparagus beetle does not like basil, and it will generally stay away. I'm not going to say it's 100% proof. You might lose a couple of plants here and there, but not at all. It's nothing to worry about. There's just a couple that you might lose and the rest will thrive. So basil also, if you plant it near your carrots, it actually repels carrot flies. Carrot flies do not like basil. Also, white flies do not like basil. So it's kind of cool that nature has this knowledge where you can plant a plant next to something else to repel pests and lure them away. And it also allows your garden to have better yields because the plant is not constantly trying to deal with these pests that are trying to bring it down. So companion planting, one of my favorite things when planting your spring garden. Think about it. It's awesome. You have a great day.